In today's video, let me show you how to check the TikTok watch history. Whether you're trying to find a particular video that you already watched or just want to look at your overall watch history inside of TikTok, the way that you do it is head over to the profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Head over to settings and privacy. From here, you just need to scroll down a bit, and under content and display, you'll see the section called Activity Center. Now, along with your watch history, you will be able to view all of the other histories as well. But for now, just tap on the watch history option. And this is the section which lets you view all of your watch history inside of TikTok. You can also filter it by date and then select the date range as well so that only those videos pop up. If you want, you can also delete some of the watch history or delete all of them all at once by tapping on select all watch history and then tap on delete. So that was a quick guide on the way that you check your TikTok watch history. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.